Allow me to introduce you to artist Zaha Hadid. Hadid is a well-known architect. An architect is someone who designs buildings. They're a kind of artist that uses math along with their imagination to create plans for buildings. Zaha Hadid was born in Iraq and lived in England, where she worked as an architect. Hadid's building designs were so different than the ideas other architects had. She liked to use a lot of curves in her buildings. Today, we're going to make blueprints. But what's a blueprint? A blueprint is a detailed drawing of a building. It's like a sketch that helps the architect plan out how to build the actual building. We are going to be printing with different things. You can use just about anything with the paint. Try to find materials that you don't mind washing off or throwing away after, and you'll want ones that will make cool shapes and designs for your building. I find cardboard to be the best material to use for the walls. As you're making your blueprint, don't worry if it doesn't look like a real building that you've seen. Zaha Hadid made buildings unlike any other. So can you. I used quite a few silly materials, like a piece of pasta and a fork. I bet you can create some very unique details on and around your building with all of the cool materials you found. While you're printing, think about some elements of art that you can use, like line and shape. And voila! Now you are an artist and an architect like Zaha Hadid.